Welcome back to Technologies. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can create a new Minecraft servers through Aternos. The first thing we are going to do is search for the Aternos. Okay, we can see here, and we have the language option. Okay, to slice, and we can see the first option. What we are going to do is press do you get yours now, your personal Minecraft servers, and we are going to register. I sign up, press here and create a name of user. Accept, and exit. Password. Okay, here we have the option to put an email. I am going to register. Now we see that I have the option of the server. Okay, we are going to where it says create a server. Okay, create a server. And here we can see the name. Okay, I'm going to have the option to give that serves a name and a welcome to message. This can with Java edition or Bedrock Rock. Okay, and create. It will only take a few seconds again. We go to here, we see that this option appears. It's like kind of programming language where you have the option to copy folders, for example tropical world, and you will be like a small software. You have option and you have the console to create in your way. You have the option to add players. Here you have the words where you can go copying the folders and etc. Thank you for watching this video and hope it helps you helping a lot, and please visit us and technology.